The JW Marriott Marquis Miami is setting a new standard for sustainable luxury in Florida. The luxury hotel has made sustainability a core priority, with food waste as a key area of focus.
Most of the food production in the hotel is driven through our banquet culinary team. That's where we do a lot of the volume food preparations here. We also have food waste in some of our restaurant areas, from our concierge lounge, where we have a breakfast buffet that we put out for our elite members every day, also in our employee cafeteria.
But at the Marquis, the solution to food waste has a name: Lola. Lola is the hotel's resident food waste digester. This machine is an on-site solution for organic waste. It uses microorganisms to turn the food waste into water that gets discharged down the sewage system.
The digester helps us a lot. It cut down on the physical use of picking up the garbage.
Our main banquet dish room is on the 5th floor, and our main trash compactor is on the loading dock on ground level.
Before, we used to have to dump the food waste in the garbage can, and that make the garbage real heavy. Then we have to roll it all the way downstairs
and be disposing of it down in our loading dock. You can understand is a good amount of trash bags and manpower that's needed to bring the food from one area of the hotel to somewhere else. That's why we decided to install Lola in the 5th floor adjacent to the main dish machine area, so the food waste stays on the 5th floor, gets digested on the 5th floor, and turned into gray water.
Beyond saving time, labor, and carbon emissions, the LFC biodigester delivers a critical advantage: lower costs.
We're collecting all these foods and we use the machine. We can save 25–30% on the bill every month.
So ballpark estimate, we saw a drop in our waste management collection fees from $9,000 to about $5,000 per month.
But Lola is just one piece of the puzzle.
We actually just applied for and we received the 4 Green Key certification here. Part of the efforts are definitely with Lola. In addition to that, we have a really good recycling program for our cardboard, also recycling used batteries.
We have another recycle programs. Let's name it Clean the World. A housekeeping team collect the used soap. They store in this box and the company pick it up. Also the plastic we use inside the guest rooms. We collect all these plastic bottles. We store here in this box, and a company came and pick it up and they recycle the whole.
We've been working on upgrading to more LED, energy efficient lighting around the hotel. And most recently, something we're very excited about, especially in food and beverage, is we have our JW garden on the 19th floor where we grow all kinds of produce that we use and herbs around the food and beverage outlets. But we're installing beehives, honey beehives, into this JW garden, and those bees are going to promote the pollination of all the flowers we have there. We've also planted some native wildflower species up there as well for the bees to collect pollen from, and in return we get the honey that we can use here on property level in various cocktails and food applications.
We collect water from the rain. The whole rain coming to this tank fill up this tank, and this is the main irrigation source for the JW garden. We have many other programs to do the recycle, to save energy in the building, but Lola is the center of everything for us. I highly recommend Power Now machine, not only because of the machine, it's because the company behind the machine, they always respond, always willing to help and available for us to when we need them.
For JW Marriott Marquis Miami, this isn't just about going green.
We've seen a significant increase in the amount of consumer knowledge and questions around our sustainability efforts. They want to come and stay at our hotel because of the smart choices we're making. A lot of our meeting planners are asking us because they know that for a big group of 500, 700 people, there's going to be a significant amount of food waste around that. There's some things you can do to limit food waste, and there's other things that is just a necessary part of the production and making sure that everybody has a plate to eat from. And our event planners are asking us these questions, and we have the tools and the training to our events team to answer these questions and proudly answer these questions and tell a great story about the efforts that we're doing here at the hotel.